Chances are, if you are struggling to make it in voiceover or, create enough business to, say, do it full time, you may think that it's a performance problem or it's a problem with your talent, when in reality, it's probably more that you have a numbers problem. So in this video, I want to show you how you can play the numbers in voiceover and hopefully grow your voiceover business, and you can stop guessing and start actually seeing real traction in your business. But here's the thing. There is something you can do that will actually make this worse. Even though you think that you're trying to pump up your numbers, if you're not pumping up those numbers in the right way and in the right direction, it can actually hurt you. Okay, right off the top, I want to tell you that if you're not tracking your numbers, you're not running a business. You're just kind of doing a hobby or maybe just wishing and hoping. You need to know your numbers, and not just your business numbers, your financials. That's important, but I'm talking about the numbers of what you do on a day-to-day basis. How many audition opportunities are you getting? How many direct outreach, messages are you sending, either via email or DMs on social media? And how many responses are you getting as it relates to how many bookings you make? And before we go any further, my name is Mike Hathcote. I'm a full-time voice actor, and I run the VoiceOver Blueprint training program and YouTube channel here. And our goal on this channel is to give you zero-cost information on how to grow and sustain your voiceover business. And if you've been thinking about being a voice actor but just don't know how to get started, I host a weekly webinar at 6 p.m. Pacific time on Tuesdays where you can ask any questions you have about voiceover. You can learn the steps that you need to take to get into voiceover. I'll also cover a lot of the mistakes that can kind of sidetrack you in this career. And just for showing up, I'll throw in a free copy of my book, The VoiceOver Blueprint, which is the audiobook and the digital PDF, and 4 free additional gifts just for showing up. So the webinar is absolutely free to attend. Just sign up in the description and pin comment down below, and I'll see you then. But now let's talk about why your numbers are not where they really should be. Okay, problem number 1 is treating every audition like it has to be booked. Now, that would be great if we could book every audition we ever sent in, but that's just not real. So when you think, okay, I'm just going to audition 5 times this week and you don't get any of them, then you start to think it's about you, and then you possibly will give up. So really what's happening here is you're not doing enough volume. And by volume, once again, I mean not ear volume, but numbers volume. You need to be doing way more auditions and, outreaches than just 5 a week. Another thing that a lot of people do that I see when we're first working together is they don't really have a plan. They don't have, a system down for who to reach out to, when to reach out to them, and have multiple revenue sources, kind of ready there so that they can quickly move from one to the next and actually move those numbers up. At a very basic level, voiceover is just like any other sales job. It's a numbers game. The more opportunities you put in the top of the funnel, the better chances you have of getting something to come out of the bottom. Let's say you book 1 out of every 20 to 30 auditions, or maybe you get 1 reply out of every 50 outreaches when you're marketing. That doesn't mean you're bad. That means you're in the game. You just need to pump those numbers up even more. So your job isn't to just, I really hope this one hits. Your job is to run enough volume to make the numbers work in your favor. So at a very basic level, and the way you should reformat this is set a target number of auditions you want to do a week, a target number of direct outreaches you're going to do a week, and track the responses and the bookings to those outreaches and auditions. All right, that's just the baseline. But this next part I'm going to talk about is where a lot of people really mess it up. Okay, so let's say you increase your volume, but your target and your quality stay kind of random. In other words, there's no system to track all this stuff. So you're going after the wrong kind of jobs, you're not really doing anything consistently, and there's no feedback loop as to, what you can do better to do these things in the right way. So the correct version would be you're doing very consistent reads on every single one of your auditions. That's a big one. The second big one is going after only jobs that are right for your voice. Everybody knows that There's lots of different styles of reads out there, but if you're going after reads that don't showcase your in particular skill, then you probably are just wasting time. And most importantly, when you send out those good quality auditions and you send out those good targeted outreach messages via email or social media, that you're reviewing what actually gets response and what does not. So step one would be set your target number for both, outreaches and auditions every week. The second thing would be to track your conversion rates, bookings per auditions. And then third would be to track your outreach, your replies and, the clients who reply in some sort of positive way to put you on their roster or whatever. Because what's going to happen is you're going to see a whole lot of nothing for a while. But those yeses and those replies that you're going to get, those are the ones you want to cultivate. One of the main things that we teach in the blueprint is not only when to reach out, but who to reach out to in order to make sure that you're getting enough of those daily opportunities for voiceover work, audition opportunities, because you should really be shooting for at least, and this is at a pro level, at a full-time pro level, you should be shooting for at least 20 auditions a day, if you can. Now, when you first start, you may not have that many, but those outreaches will then translate to the audition opportunities if your numbers are right. And also, this is one of the things that we are going to be discussing on Tuesday night in that free webinar. So if you haven't signed up yet, feel free to do that down below. Just click that link and sign up for free, and you're going to get a copy of the free book as well, and hope to see you there. So now I hope you can kind of understand how you not only, one, should pump those numbers up, and by the way, we all should. I should. Anybody should. There's never going to be an end to the amount of people that you can reach out to get auditions, but you have to play the numbers in order to get the right opportunities and, more importantly, the right number of opportunities. Thank you again for hanging out. I appreciate you being here. And if you like these kind of videos on voiceover, hit that like and subscribe and notification bell. And that's the best way to help our little channel out here. And if you have any questions or comments about what we talked about today, drop those down below as well. And if you want to go deeper on the direct marketing piece, I did a complete video that focuses just on direct marketing, which is the main way you should be growing your voiceover business. And you can check that out right there.